Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we are talking about a Digibyte coin. What's the price change goes in Digibyte, what's the current status of Digibyte, and what is the current price of Digibyte in the cryptocurrencies market. In this video I will show you. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so kindly subscribe now as tech channels for more this kind of latest news and updates friends. If we look the current price of Digibyte, so as you can see here, the current price of Digibyte is about 0.110584 USD dollar is the current price of Digibyte friends. And if you look the price change occurring Gigabyte, so as you can see here, the last 1 hour change is in positive, last 1 day change is in negative, last 1 week change is also in negative friends. As you can see here, very badly fast down occurs in the Digibyte. There is not a Digibyte in which fast down occurs. Every cryptocurrency's fast occur in the last 1 day friends. After watch this video till the end, I will show you a lot of cryptocurrencies which is currently fast downs. As you can see at the last 4 day price change occur in Digibyte. As you can see a negative 7.5%, and the high price in the Digibyte in the last 1 day period friends is about 0.127662 USD dollar at this time friends. And now the current price is about 0.110584 USD dollar. As you can see here is a 20 and here is 11. That means a 1% change occur in Digibyte, the price fast down friends. And if we look the chart, so as you can see here, continuously fast occur in Digibyte. As you can see here, take a jump for a little time, but unfortunately after a little jump, they again fast down occurs in the Digibyte friends. So a lot of people are confused that what should they do at this time condition. As you can see here, now if you look the cryptocurrencies market at this time friends, so as you can see here, XRP, Ripple coin, Cardano, Dogecoin, Chainlink fast down. Every cryptocurrency is fast down. VeChain, Stellar, XNM, Filecoin, Theta, Tron, TRX, BitTorrent, NAME, Axiom, Holochain, TLS, Hedera, Hashgraph, Engine Coin, Chainlink, and Digibyte, Share Coin, Decentraland. A lot of cryptocurrencies fast down. Okay, as you can see here, same like that. So a lot of people confused that what should they do at this time friends. So my suggestion for all of you that please hold your coin with the last of this month. Maybe it's a temporary fast of every cryptocurrency. As you can see now on the screen, every cryptocurrency is fast down. Okay friends, so please wait for a big jump, a big pump. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video helpful for you. If you want this kind of more news and updates, kindly subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.